morning students, welcome to my channel. Verify the Gauss divergence theorem. F vector is equal to 4xz I vector minus y square j vector plus yz k vector over the cube bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Gauss divergence theorem, double integral surface f vector dot n cap into ds equal to triple integral volume del dot f vector into dv. Gauss divergence theorem for f vector cube x axis, y axis, z axis. The cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Here I vector. Opposite side minus I vector. Y. Here plus j vector. Opposite minus j vector. K vector. Minus k vector. There are 6 faces. Now we take 6 faces. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6. First surface, second surface, third surface, fourth surface, fifth surface, sixth surface. Here first surface, we take n vector equal to minus I vector. Here n vector is equal to plus I. Next, n cap minus j, n cap plus j, n cap minus k, n cap plus k vector, minus I plus I. This face minus I plus I. Opposite faces minus I and plus I. Minus I and plus I. Here ds equal to dy into dz. dy into dz. Second minus j plus j. Minus j and plus j. Here ds equal to dx dz. Next, minus k plus k, minus k and plus k, ds equal to dx into dy. Now we find the LHS. LHS equal to RHS. First, surface integral, f dot n cap ds. First integral, first we find S1. Here, limit x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Minus I, x limit is 0. Minus I, x limit is 0. Plus I, x limit equal to 1. Next, minus j, y limit. Y is equal to 0. Next, plus j, y is equal to 1. Minus k, z0. Z equal to 0. Plus k, z equal to 1. There are 6 faces. ds equal to dy dz. Minus I plus I, ds equal to dy dz. Minus j, dx dz. Minus k, dx dy. First we find S1. Double integral f dot n cap ds. F vector 4x z I vector minus y square j vector plus yz k vector. F vector dot n cap. Here n cap minus I vector. ds dy dz. dy into dz. Dot product I dot I 1. we take only I vector, I dot I 1. 4xz dy dz, take minus outside. Now we put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. X is equal to, here we substitute as x is equal to 0. Total answer is 0. So surface 1 is 0. Surface 1 0. Similarly we find 6 faces. Next S2. S2 double integral. Here plus I. Minus I. Instead of minus I, we substitute plus I. 4xz I vector minus y square j vector plus yz k vector. K vector. Dot. Here plus I dy dz. Dy dz. Jk cancel. I dot I 1. Double integral 4xz dy dz. 4xz into dy dz. We put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Double integral 4z dy into dz. X is equal to 1. So 4 into 1, 4. 4z dy dz. S2 double integral 4xz dy dz. Put x is equal to 1. X value 1. 4z dy dz. Here limit y limit 0 to 1. Z limit 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now we integrate with respect to y. 4z constant. Dy integration y. Limit 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 dz. Equal to 4z constant. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit 1 dz. Integration 0 to 1. 4 constant z power 1. Z power 1 dz. X power n dx formula. X power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We can use this formula. Z power 1 dz. Z square by 2. Cancel. 2 z square. 2 z square. 4 into z dz integration z square by 2. 2 z square. Limit 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Upper limit 1. Lower limit 0. So answer upper limit 2. Next S3. Third phase. Double integral f vector x 4xz I vector minus y square j vector plus yz k vector dot n cap minus j vector. N cap minus j vector into ds dx dz. ds value dx into dz. X limit 0 to 1. Z limit 0 to 1. Substitute. Put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Here cancel. Minus y square. Minus into minus plus y square. Double integral y square dx dz. Y is equal to 0. So answer 0. S3 equal to 0. Next S4. S4 double integral 4xz I vector minus y square j vector plus yz k vector dot plus j vector dx dz. Dx into dz. I k cancel. Minus y square dx into dz. Double integral x limit 0 to 1. Z limit 0 to 1. Simplifying. Now put y is equal to 1. Here y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Minus 1. 1 square 1 minus 1. Double integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus dx into dz. First integrating dx. Dx integration x. X limit 0 to 1. 0 to 1 minus outside into dz equal to minus x integration dx integration x limit 0 to 1 0 to 1 out of 0 to 1 minus into dz x upper limit 1, so 1 dz 0 to 1 minus outside equal to minus z 0 to 1 equal to minus 1 s4 value minus 1. Next s5 double integral 4x z I vector minus y square j vector plus y z k vector f vector dot n cap minus k vector ds equal to dx into dy here ds equal to dx dy I j cancel k dot k1 minus yz dx dy x limit 0 to 1 y limit 0 to 1 put z is equal to 0 so put here z equal to 0 total answer is 0 s5 equal to 0 s5 value 0. Next to find s6 x6 double integral 4x z I vector minus y square j vector plus y z k vector dot plus k vector into dx dy I j cancel y z dx dy k dot k1 y z dx dy double integral y z dx dy x limit 0 to 1 y limit 0 to 1 put z equal to 1 z is equal to 1 remaining y dx dy y into dx into dy y into dx dy integrating with respect to x dx integration x y x dy limit 0 to 1 x limit 0 to 1 so y dy integration y power 1 integration 0 to 1 integrate with respect to x dx integration x limit 0 to 1 dy upper limit minus lower limit y into dy 0 to 1 y power 1 integration y square by 2 limit 0 to 1 upper limit 1 square 1 by 2 lower limit 0 1 by 2 s6 is equal to 1 by 2. Next we find right hand side RHS triple integral del dot f into dv is equal to dx into dy into dz volume dv is equal to dx dy dz equal to triple integral del dot f del I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y j vector plus k vector dou by dou z del dot f vector 4x z I vector minus y square j vector plus y z k vector into dv triple integral I dot I 1 dou by dou x into 4x z next j dot j 1 plus dou by dou y into minus y square k dot k 1 plus dou by dou z into y z dv is equal to dx dy dz dx into dy into dz. Now we differentiate with respect to x 1 4z differentiate x with respect to x 1 4z remaining with respect to y minus 2y with respect to z, z1 remaining y into dx dy dz. Limit x limit 0 to 1, y limit 0 to 1, z limit 0 to 1. Simplifying 4z minus 2y plus y minus y. 4z by simplifying minus y plus y minus y into dx dy dz. X limit 4z minus y into dx with respect to x. 4zx minus yx. Limit 0 to 1. dy into dz. Next 0 to 1, 0 to 1. With respect to x, x value 1. 4z minus y. x1 4z minus y. Lower limit 0. 4z minus y dy into dz. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Next with respect to y, 4z dy. 4z constant, dy integration y. Y dy integration y power 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Y to the power n integration. Y dy y square by 2. X to the power n dx formula. Y power n dy is equal to y power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Limit 0 to 1. 0 to 1 dz. 0 to 1. With respect to y, y value 1. 4z minus 1 by 2. Here lower limit 0. 0 to 1 dz. Next with respect to z. 4z dz. 4 constant. Z dz. Z power 1 integration z square by 2. Minus 1 by 2 dz integration z. 1 by 2 into z. Limit 0 to 1. Z is equal to 1. 1 by 2. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 LCM 3 by 2. 3 by 2. RHS equal to 3 by 2. RHS answer 3 by 2. LHS answer S1 0, S1 value 0, S2 value 2, S3 value 0, S4 minus 1, S5 0, S6. Adding the 6 phases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus half. 2 LCM 2 plus 1 3 by 2. LHS equal to 3 by 2. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Gauss divergence theorem verified. Thank you.